Chemist man! Chemist man! Are you there? Come outside.
Mama Ego, what is the problem?
The problem? Now you be the problem. You won't kill me and my children, my whole family. How you go sell medicine wey don spoil since 2020? You come sell and give me, make me and my pikin dem make we drink and die. Odinma, give me back my money. Give me back my money.
Ego, what is all this now? It hasn't gotten to this.
Gotten what?
Ego, it hasn't gotten to this. Please bring the stuff, let me see.
What is stuff? I tell you say that medicine, you say that stuff. Which one be stuff? Give me back my money. I go shout. I go call police give you.
It hasn't gotten to this.
I go call police.
This woman, so you are here. You are a very wicked woman. So you sold me this rotten fish so that my family will eat and die. You gave me poison, so you sold me fish. You are very wicked. God will punish you for this thing you just did. In fact, I want my money back now.
Let me say this fish give you. Let me say I give you.
Madam, it's your fault.
If let me say I give you, I don't inside fish. Because I be say you don't mold. What do you call a mold or waiting?
Madam, now your fault be this. You know that this fish is expired. Yet you will go and carry vegetable oil and rub on it to deceive your customers to buy this fish. You are a very wicked woman. You must give my money back today.
Which money?
Madam, take this fish and give my money back.
Mama Ego, wait oh. Is it not this man that sold this wine to me? Is this man now? Is my eye deceiving me?
Which man?
Are you not the one that sold this nonsense fake wine to me? This nonsense wine. This man is a very, very wicked man. How can he say this expired wine to me? This one that is bottled under that banana tree in that place. He's a very wicked man. You are a very wicked man. Don't you know that this wine is capable of killing all the organs in a man's body? I need my money back. I need my money back. Yeah, want my money now. You are very wicked. You are very, very wicked.
Give my money back.
Give me my money.
Give my money.
Give me my money now.
Listen, everyone. Who are you? You feel bad when cheated. Yet you go ahead cheating on other people. And you must give me that.
So the thing where I put here be say, you know, say we now as we dey sell now, we want our Ishego. Ishego.
Can you listen to yourself? You want your Ishego without considering other people's lives. Listen.
You know they keep us.
If you sell any edible or drinkable thing, you must be careful. Else, you are one of those that send people to their early grave. All of you are guilty and should go without any reform. Go and consider the lives of others. Do unto other people what you would want them to do unto you.